Hello. A lot of the trend is towards, I'd say, shorter volume, shorter runs, but also almost paradoxically, there's a lot of interest in automation. So whether that be because there's interest in shortening supply chains, which I think a lot of people are interested in after the pandemic, is that it's hard to get masks, or it's we're trying to get like chips for cars and whatnot. So there's a lot of interest in shortening supply chains. So manufacturing has really been growing in a lot of different markets, not just ours. And so a lot of labor issues need to be addressed. And so we have a lot of technology geared towards either automating processes, so making things more simple. So if I don't necessarily know how to do a really complex part on a press brake, for example, that the machine's capable of doing that. And then we address a lot of the say, more kind of man-hour sort of labor with the actual handling of materials. So integration to a lot of different material storage systems, or even having integration from a laser to storage to a bending operation. We call that an ICB. And interest in those integrated cutting bending systems have grown really exponentially recently.
Oh, very knowledgeable. Thank you so much for the information.
Yes, you're welcome.
Hello, hi, how are you? And we're here to learn about the new technology that MAZAK has.
Yeah, so this is our new Optiflex Nexus S7, and this is our new mode shaping technology. A lot of competitors do beam shaping. This is one step further. We are shaping the mode. So basically we can change where the beam is hot. So the number one complaint with fiber lasers is cut quality. This machine has the capability of making a fiber beam or a CO2 beam or anything in between. That allows us to get CO2 cut quality on a fiber laser. And all the benefits of the fiber lasers, the speed, the efficiency, lack of maintenance, but still maintain great cut quality you used to see on the CO2 lasers. That's not exactly my area of expertise, but I have not heard of any issues as of now anyway.
Okay.
So we have a very robust supply chain. We have three main centers, one Elgin, Illinois, one in Europe, and one in Japan. Between all three service centers, we support anywhere, everything in the whole world.
Okay, thank you so much, Joy. Thank you so much.
No problem.
The newest technology is a laser-based technology. It's called LIBS, Laser-Induced Breakdown Technology, or like breakdown spectroscopy. It sends a laser out, burns a little bit of the metal, and actually the value of it is it can see the carbon, which this technology can't. So this new technology is being able to measure carbon and carbon steel and stainless steels in a handheld, which was not available a few years ago.
And this is Matt Parker when he gets off the phone. He's a salesperson that's involved in this.
So this is just a small scale of what you saw over there. I got some material set up in the fixture over there. I'm just going to choose which one I want to drill. It's a class 1 enclosure, so nothing's going to happen automatically. The laser can't fire while the doors are open. You can see on the monitor up here or over here. So currently I'm drilling at 75 holes per second. We basically tell it that we want to fill the area inside the circle and leave space for the internal feature. So right now you'll see it's kind of stuttering. That's just leaving space for that. And then in approximately 30 seconds it'll finish drilling and then just cut the outside with traditional cutting.
People is not coming so many, but some people come is very serious. So we still have enough lead, same as 2 years ago. So that is good. But attendance is not so many. Maybe half was 60% something. But every company, I mean, business in this industry is pretty good now. So many companies have more orders and more production this year. And we are good too. So supply chain so far okay, but like control side, we want to use it, but they don't deliver it so long.
Yeah.
So some semiconductors business is delayed, but machine is okay. It comes from Japan or from Europe. It doesn't have any problem. just shape is delayed. We're supposed to have one more machine for this, but it's still on the ship. It's supposed to arrive in middle of September, and it's still on the ship.
Like month or delayed for almost double the time.
Right. It's anchoring on nearby port, but we can't unload. That is the issue right now. Business is good, selling good, but machine is not arriving, so delivery is gonna be little delay.
Is MAZAK doing any like new innovation or new technology?
It's supposed to be here, but not here.
That's the one.
Right. So maybe next year, Fabtech is in Atlanta. Or maybe next year or following week, we're gonna show new machines.
What is new?
Right now, laser is simple, right? It's just fiber cable is bring to the torch and cut. We can control that beam size on the machine and on the laser side, both sides. So we can control the shape and mode and size using new technology. So it's gonna change cutting performance. We can cut faster and thicker. We already tested up to 2 inches steel. We could cut. So that is coming. Maybe.
It's on the way.
On the way.
Yeah. Okay.
So